Hi fashionist, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Design. Let's talk about some more trendy winter accessories that can really elevate your look and they start making a stylish comeback this winter. They add a chic touch to anyone's outfit and come in various colors and materials. Try a classic black, bit of timeless look, a bright color for a pop of fun. Lines leggings are perfect for staying warm while keeping your style on point. They are great for layering under skirts or dresses and can even be worn on their own with a long top. A statement belt can completely change the look of your outfit. Choose on with blurred colors and unique design to cinch your waist and add some flair to your winter wardrobe. Which accessory are you excited to try? Let us know in the comments below, and if you are loving these fashion tips, and do not forget to hit that like button, subscribe and share this video with your friends. If you are into the winter sports or just need some active wears for the colder month, check out these trendy sportwear options and beautiful skirts and jeans, bodycon dresses, thermal based layers and for staying warm while being active. They wick away from your skin and keep you cozy. Look for breathable materials that offer both warmth and comfort. Waterproof gloves are most for snowballs fight or shaking. They keep your hands dry and warm, and many comes with features like touch screen tips so you can use your phone without taking them off. If you live in a snowy area, snow boots and looks for ones with good insulations and waterproofing to keep your feet warm and dry. These are plenty of stylish options. They are do not sacrifice function for fashion. Winter is a perfect time to explore new color and styles. Here are some of the top colors trend for this season. Earthy tones like brown, green and purple color are very popular this winter. They give a natural cozy feels and can be paired with a variety of the colors. Blood red and black colors. Blood red and making a big statement this season, whether it's a bright red sweaters or a pair of red boots. This color add a vibrant touch to your winter wardrobe. Cool blues for navy to icy shades are also trending. They offer a calming screens vibe and are great for layering with other colors. What colors are you excited to wear this winter? Share in the comments, and if you are enjoying this video, do not forget to hit like button, subscribe to our channel Fashion Design, and share this with your friends. Want to add a personal touch to your winter wardrobe? Here are some dye fashion ideas. You can personalize and your sweater with fabric paints or patches and your favorite design or interiors to make them unique. If you love the look of distressed jeans but want a touch, try creating your own tips and tears. Just make sure to use a pair of jeans that do not mind experiment with. Add some bling your scarves with dye embellishment you can sew or some beads or fringes and a unique look. What dye fashion project have you tried? Tell us the comments, and if you enjoy these tips, remember to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and one of the best way to stay stylish in winter is by mixing and matching different pieces. Here are some tips. Combine texture like demain with knitwear or leather with wool. This adds depth to your outfit and keeps this interesting. Do not be afraid to mix patterns like strips with plaid or floor with geometrics. The key is to keep the colors complementary. Use accessories to tie your outfit and jeans and blouse vary outfits, bodycon dresses, a statement necklace or a stylish belt can add the perfect finishing touch. How do you like to mix and match your outfit? Let us know in the comments. That's what on your winter fashion trends. We hope you found some great style inspiration for the season. Let's talk about some more trendy winter accessories and jeans and red top bodycon dresses. They add a chic touch to any outfits and come in various colors and materials. Try a classic black beard for a timeless look or a bright color for a pop of fun. Fleece line leggings are perfect for staying warm while keeping your style on point. They are great for layering under skirts or dresses and can be even and be worn on their own with a long top. A statement belt can completely change the look of your outfit. Choose on with blurred colors or unique design to cinch your waist and add some flair to your winter wardrobe. Which accessory are you excited to try? Let us know in the comments below, and if you are loving these fashion tips, do not forget to hit that like button, subscribe and share this video with your friends. If you are into winter sports or just need some active wear for the colored month, check out these trendy softwear options. Thermal base layers are essential for staying warm while being active. They wick moisture away from skin and keep you cozy. Look for breathable materials that offer both warmth and comfort. Want to stay stylish without breaking the bank? Here are some tips for scoring winter fashions on a budget. Keep any eye out for seasonal sales and discount. Many stores offer great deals at the end of the season, so you can snag stylish pieces for next winter at a lower price. Give your old clothes a new life with dye upgrades. Add patches to a jacket, dye a sweaters a new colors or alter dress to fit better. It's fun a way to refresh your wardrobe without spending a lot. For a casual day outfits, pair some comfy jeans or leggings with a cozy sweater and puffer jackets. Add some stylish sneakers or ankle boots and finish off with a bean or scarf. For a formal event, go for a sleek midi dresses. Holiday parties call for something special. OPT for a glittery dress, a chic velvet outfit. Add some sparkle with jewelry and finish off with a pair of dressy heels or festival flats. What your go-to outfit to different occasions? Share your ideas in the comments, and if you are enjoying these fashion tips, be sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe and share this video with your friends. If you are interested in suitable fashions, here are some eco-friendly with the fashions option. Look for clothing made for organic fabrics like cotton or bamboo. These materials are ground without harmful chemicals and are better for the environment. Second-hand clothing is a great way to shop sustainably. Thrift stores and shops offer a wide range of gently used items that are both stylish and eco-friendly. Sport brand the focus and production parties, and these brands fair weeks, safe working conditions and friendly processes. What's some inspiration for your winter wardrobe? Check your these celebrity winter fashion looks. Every winter wardrobe needs a few essentials. Here are a list of must-have items to keep you stylish and warm. A classic wool coat is a staple that never